Good morning, students of standard 9. Welcome in day 11. Okay, as you know that in day 10 I have discussed about how to find gravitational force between two persons. Okay, and in that day we have seen there the gravitational force between two persons is not the exact value, it is estimate value of gravitational force, because the two persons are not spherical. Okay, students, today I will going to discuss about how to find gravitational force between a ball and the earth. Okay, and the ball is placed on the surface of the earth, then you can say that distance between ball and the earth is the radius of the earth. Okay, because you will take the dimension of distance from ball to earth is radius. Okay, so let us see here. Let us A ball is placed on the surface of the earth which mass is 1 kg. Okay, let us consider a ball is placed on the surface of the earth and which mass is 1 kg. Okay, so we know that F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Okay, F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Now select the data given. m1, that means mass of the ball. You will write here mass of the ball equal to m1 1 kg, and second mass of the earth me. Okay, me. So you will correct here in the formula, this is me, and you will just say mass of the ball is m. Mass of the ball m is equal to 1 kg, and mass of the earth me is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. You will just remember it, mass of the earth, because when some numericals are will ask in your examination, then there will no mention of mass of the earth. So you will just learn about mass of the earth and radius of the earth. So mass of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and radius of the earth equal to re. This is re. Okay, radius of the earth is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 kg. Okay, radius of the earth is equal to re equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 kg. Now let us see how to solve it. F is equal to G m me by re square. Okay, now put the value of G, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Put the value of m, small m, 1 kg. Me, mass of the earth, 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg by re square, 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 square. Okay, 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 6 into 10 to the power 24 by 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. You will write here 2 times because it is in a square form. 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. Now you will separate the term without power. 6.67 into 6 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 24 by 6.4 into 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 into 10 to the power 6. Now remove the decimal, put here 20, put here 20, that means 100 cancel out. Okay, now 667 into 6 by 64 into 64 into 10 to the power base same, then add the minus 11 plus 24 by 10 to the power 6 plus 6. Okay, this is the value of f. Now f is equal to 667 into 6, 4002, 4002 by 4096, 64 into 64, 4096 into 10 to the power 24 minus 11, 13. Okay, by 10 to the power 6 plus 6, 12. 10 to the power 12 is cancel out, 10 to the power 12. Then f is equal to 4002 into 110 rest 4096. Then f is equal to 40020 by 4096 Newton. Now when you divide, you will get the value of 40020 by 4096 is equal to 9.8 Newton. So student, this is the value of gravitational force acts by the earth on the ball which is putted on the surface of the earth, or ball also exerts same force 9.8 Newton on the earth. How it is possible? I have told you that in the universe every particles exert equal force to each other. Okay, that means earth exert 9.8 Newton on the ball, then ball is also exert 9.8 Newton on the earth, but ball is attracted by the earth and earth not attracted by the ball. Why? I will discuss in later class. Okay, students, I hope you will understood very well how to find gravitational force act between a ball and earth. Okay, in next class I will discuss some more question how to find gravitational force act between moon and earth, okay, or other things. Okay, now students, it's time for your homework. Write down your homework. Now, student, this is your homework for day 11. Today I have again given only one question. See question 1. Find the gravitational force acts between a ball of mass 5 kg and the earth. Okay, here mass of ball is given 5 kg, that means value of m1 is given 5 kg, and second object is earth, and you know mass of the earth is equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg. So you will take here m2 is equal to me equal to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, and r is equal to radius of the earth, re equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Friends, today's class is over. Thanks to all of you for watching me. Have a nice day.